When talking tech pouches, you have molded or unmolded with varying sizes from small to large, like you're taking your complete office with you. Well, today we're looking at the Pioneer Carry Global Pouch. So what's in your pouch?
Next time, keep it in your pouch. Okay?
Pioneer Carry Global Pouch. This is a tech pouch. We'll see how it looks on the interior when we get there. But the thing to point out is this is made from Pioneer's 3PN material, which we've covered in detail in prior wallet reviews. But unlike their wallets, the Global Pouch is more pliable on the 3PN than their wallets. Well, let's see what I keep in my pouch. I've been using this tech pouch on and off for almost a year now, and is what I usually carry with me when I'm commuting or traveling with my full laptop. So let's see what we have in here. Well, we will open this up right here, and voila. Now, let's see. I have a full-size mouse, which I like to use. I also have a charger. This is a Qi charger. Let's see. And speaking of, here's my AirPod Pros. If we go to the other side right here, I have a power brick. This is a hyper brick. It gives me two 100-watt USB-Cs as well as 18 watts here for USB-B. So we'll set that aside, and that way I can charge multiple things with that, trying to reduce on bulk. And then right here, I have a multi-charge, which is a 4-in-1. So I have a lightning cable. I also have a USB-C. You take these off, and now I've got a USB-C and another USB-C. And this is a meter long and 3 feet. And the reason why is because if you are traveling in a plane and you've got the charger that's up by the TV, but you want to place your phone down in the forward pouch, well, this will allow you to do that. Let's see. Now we go into this middle area right here. Oh, I take that back. I do have some headphones, again, for airplane, where they're corded, something to clean my glasses. And because of this, I no longer have to carry a lot of cords. Now, I have a 2018 version MacBook Pro. Does not have, like the new one, the integrated HDMI port, so I still have to carry this dongle.
Ooh. Oh, the dongles!
I want to see the dongles.
Hell yeah!
There's a life of dongles. I have right here a card reader that plugs into USB-C. I have a charger for my headset, wireless. I have a USB-C charger right here for my Apple Watch. Let's see, fingernail clippers, and I have two. I think I only have one in there. Another multi right here. It's actually pretty good. And this one is made by Chevron. And there you go. These are all the things I'm able to carry in this, and this is my consistent carry for my tech pack. All right, let's go through the technical details, then on to why I like this pouch. Looking at the features, we have a YKK Aqua Guard lock zipper right here. And so this makes this fairly waterproof, at least from the zipper perspective. This 3PN is actually very good from water resistance. In their wallets, I've actually submerged them. I've had water run on top of them, it just runs off. So this is a pretty secure pack by way of water. If we look at the particular zipper, being that it is a lock zipper, of course we like this because it will lock in place. It's not going to, kind of flop around a bit, but it also provides a lock. So if it's facing you, you can continue to pull open. But if you put it into a lock position, which is in the direction that you're trying to open, it keeps it from opening. So I find this very useful if I'm on a plane and I want to rummage around on something, but I don't want it to be completely open so things could fall out. So this way, I'm able to have it be locked. I can stick my hand in there, find what I'm looking for the most part, and be able to pull it out. Quite good. If we go to the interior, we see that we have 4 internal pockets. We have 1, 2 on each side, 3 and 4. They are not flexible, but they are very deep. And I like that, especially if I take this charger, put this in here. Notice how much room I still have towards the top. Same thing if I get my cords right here. These cords are fairly tall. And with that being the case, they could stick up and be in the way. But I can tuck them in right here and no issues. This is taller than most other tech packs. I like that a lot about this for that exact reason. So with that being the case, we go to the interior in the middle here, and we can see that we have a zip pouch. Love this for all the right reasons, which is this where you put small little things that could get around and become a nuisance to have to rummage for. It is sewn to the bottom, which is, something we'll talk about, but you can see that the bottom has somewhat of a gusseted plate. This measures 8.3 by 6.3 by 3 inches, fully packed, and it weighs empty 115 grams. Now, designed in the United States and made in Vietnam, this is a premium technical ripstop fabric. Pioneer also provides a 10-year defect warranty, which honestly is impressive and tells you exactly how much confidence they have in their product. This is priced for $85, and you do get quality construction from this, so there's not any issues. Now let's start with the exterior for usability. The Aqua Guard number 10, which this is, does take a little bit of use. It's a little stiffer, right? You have to pull more because you've got a lot more going on here with this zip closure. In addition to that, if we look at the interior here, get this open again, the thing that I mentioned that I like and I do is this little zipper pouch right here. And the reason why I like it, it's perfect separation between both sides. You can still put things in between the pockets here on both sides and in between the zipper pouch. It provides yet a divider here, which I quite like. Now, the one thing that's a little difficult for me is that it's, I would say, been a design principle for tech pouches for several years now that you put contrasting colors on the interior so that you can see all that's in your tech pouch, which colors can often be white, black, silver, orange, those kinds of things. And I wish Pioneer had done this with at least this center zip pouch and maybe the bottom liner, so you can see clearly what's going on right in here. I do wish the side pouches had a little more elasticity to them so that you could see, get a little more closure, because right now, they are really just static, and something would be have a little more pull on it, either to stretch out or to envelop itself around the contents a little bit more, I think would be great. Having put everything back in, when I go to the office, I throw this into my briefcase, which is a Toomey Alpha large screen laptop briefcase. But when I travel personally, I'll toss it in the bottom of my Osprey Quasar backpack. Now, my briefcase requires something smaller. Imagine trying to shove the larger Bellroy tech pouch in there. It's just not going to happen. Anything can fit into my backpack, however. So if your main carry has loads of room, so it's not so much of a big deal. But if your rotation includes something more compact, like this, where it has to fit right into here, then you might have an issue. So keep that in mind. Now on to the final score. For quality of 5, excellent materials, love their wallets. I think it's a fantastic product. Price of 3, reasonable for I think what you get. Features of 4, usability of 4. Despite some of the things I mentioned from usability, no contrasting colors or whatnot, I find it very easy to work with. The fact that it's taller than most tech pouches makes that much easier to put taller things in. And perception of 4. Pioneer Carry makes excellent products. That gets us a final score of 40 out of 50. Watch this one next. Keep watching as we begin introducing tech pouches and other carryables. We'll see you in the next review.